Hello, I'm Steve Miner with Noble Renovation. We are a design, build, remodeling company in Cary, North Carolina. We've been in business for about 15 years. I want to share a little bit about a customer experience, a five-star customer experience, and talk about the strategy of our process and how we use JobTread in order to help us deliver a great service. I would say that it all begins with using the capture feature on our website. We use this contact us form right here. So we'll get an email notification, then that'll get zipped right into the customers feature. And so we have this pipeline set up. One of the things I really like is to be able to email the client right as we get that new lead. This is a kitchen remodel. They want a luxury porch. I met with them Friday, went really well, asked for them to send us a checklist that we send out so that they can kind of let us know what they want us to ballpark, because once we meet with them, we're trying to give them an idea of the likely cost and then engage with them into a design agreement. And so that's kind of where we're off to the races. We have an interior designer and we do all the CAD work, as-built, 3D renderings. We bring them into the office and really show them conceptually what their new project could be, and then we move into selections. We build the budget, write the scope of work. So we use JobTread and we use the bid request feature. You have your reports and you can jump in here and see who's been paid by vendor, all our documents in here. Love the schedule feature where you can move an entire bank of items at one time, but you can open this up, you can assign things, schedule, put some notes in here, you can make a checklist of things to do, you can link it, which we've done here. So very cool. The client can see it in their portal. The messaging feature was added in 2024 by JobTread development team, and I think it's one of the best things that they've added, because it takes all of the communication that you're having with your client, your subs, your vendors, and your internal team, and everybody can collaborate on the job together within the job. So this is the main hub here for all of our communications. So this looks like a typical email browser, but it's just for our jobs. It has nothing to do with personal or outside stuff. But you can go into an individual job and click on messages, and you will see messaging here for this particular job with this particular client. Okay, so we love that. You can pretty much drop a message anywhere in JobTread. You can be in a to-do, you can be in selections, you can be in of course, the messaging feature, but you can be in a daily log or documents and make comments and send messages to whomever you want to see that note, and then they can reply. So it's fantastic. The other thing that we need to make sure that we mention, and this is very important to the customer experience, is your selections. So if we go to the Linderman job, we'll go to selections. You scroll down, we can see door hardware. These are all the knobs, so you can see the interior designer's done a great job of uploading all of these things here, so everybody can see visually what these parts are supposed to look like. Here are the costs, and then you would see whether or not the client has approved the selection. We originally had 1,900 and we have no money left in here, so they used up the entire allowance. So lastly, I would just close with a repeat client of ours who really praised our team for how they did. You're trying to get that 5-star rating. It's really about the people. It's about how you treat clients, anticipating their questions, being organized, having a schedule, just taking care of things. And our guys did that. And I want to just highlight two of our guys. This is our project manager. I have a young team, but super smart, just great character people who care about what they're doing. And this client wrote a tremendous review for us on Facebook. They also lifted up our interior designer, Raul Perez. Raul is phenomenal. I really believe the secret to a great project is in design and showing a client what is possible with a lot of times restrictions. In this particular case, we put in a steel beam. It was awesome. This is what this kitchen looked like before. This all got tore out here, and these is the walls that were taken out. This is where the current kitchen sink is. You can just kind of see how things are dark and old and tired. But there used to be walls and beams and all kinds of stuff from this view here. And just a neat, great view here. This is a bay window that was existing, but you can see the living room and yeah, just a great customer. Guys did a great job and made it into this. We've got a good process, and we're thankful to JobTread for helping us grow, to be more profitable, to be better communicators, to be even more transparent than we were before. And it's just helping us take care of our clients. That's all I got. Thank you.